about your hire through reverse job posts. Can you share kind of what the process looked like from the time you reached out to them until they accepted your offer?
Sure. So, immediately we get an email update that there's a reverse post that might match up to one of our stores. I usually reach out immediately with sort of a soft hello, explaining who we are, what we are, and asking some more questions. In this instance, the candidate reached right back out to me and gave me his cell phone. So we started talking on the phone. Found out that he might be a great fit for one of our stores that was right in his area where he lived, and got him set up with an interview with our hiring manager within 2 or 3 hours from the time I saw the original reverse post.